Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we are going to be making healthy, delicious noodles. So right here, I have some onions, some tomatoes, some green beans, green pepper, carrots, and some fish. You can check the description box below for the exact measurements. So the aim of this stage is really not to boil your noodles, rather is to reduce the quantity of starch in the noodles and also to improve the end product of your noodles. How do we call it in Nigeria? You know when you say your rice is standing one, well that's what I mean. Okay, so if you notice, I'm really not boiling the noodles. I'm just going to be stirring it for about 2 to 5 minutes until all the noodle strands are completely separated. Well, don't be like me. I was supposed to marinate this fish before frying, but because I was out of time, so I just had to add in my Indomie seasoning into the fish while frying. And that's it guys, stir to fully combine. Easy recipe and very healthy. I enjoyed mine with my siblings and it was so delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.